Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Grace with the Great, and you already know I film about faith and I inspire people to be more and more productive. Today we're going to talk about something very important. So I actually did a video related to this a couple of months ago, basically talking about, I gave us some reasons why now is a good time to actually study in the UK, why you should apply for a UK degree. So today we're going to talk about how you can actually do that. What are the step-by-step process? So how to actually apply for a postgraduate degree in the UK. So if you are interested to hear what I have to say, keep watching. Oh, if it is your first time of seeing this lovely face, make sure to subscribe, please. It's just a click, just support, subscribe, and welcome to the family. If it's not your first time, you know the drill. You are super amazing. Thanks for coming back. So let's dive right in. Hi guys, so just to go straight into what we have today, the first thing you want to think about when applying for a master's or a postgraduate degree in the UK is where to find information. Okay, so where can you actually find info? If you are interested, where? The first website I'm going to recommend us to is the UCAS postgraduate website. So UCAS postgraduate website. On there, they have the list of most of the UK-based universities and all of the courses those universities actually offer. Or that is one option. Or you could choose to just go on the university website directly. It is very detailed. Okay, but be careful, because if you want to apply for a master's in computer science, for example, the course content for computer science at the University of Portsmouth is going to be different from that of computer science at the University of Greenwich. So you want to always check and make sure they cover the modules you would want to study. So that is the first thing, where to find information. The next thing is how to actually apply. So you found all of the information you need. Now, how do you apply? So again, I'm going to recommend us to go back to the website. Application is a step-by-step process. It's very detailed. How can you apply? You can apply directly on the university website. Now next, so what exactly are the documents that you need to apply for a postgraduate degree in the UK? The first and most important is actually a proof of English language proficiency. Okay, so either your TOEFL or any other English language test, you need this. Especially if you're from a tricky country like Cameroon, like I am, which in my head, to me, Cameroon is bilingual. So I thought I'll be able to apply to a UK university without having to prove that I speak English, because the whole world knows that my country speaks both French and English. But no, my university believe that Cameroon speaks just French. So you still have to prove to us that you speak English. So that's the point. I had to take that test. So you will have to take that test no matter the university if you're not from a proven English country. The next document you need are your qualifications, your academic qualifications. Okay, depending on the level you're applying for a master's, you need your undergrad degree. So yeah, if your certificate, your undergraduate bachelor certificate maybe is not yet ready, you would need your transcript. At times, even if it's ready, you need all of your transcript for all of your years and then the certificate. So it really depends on the program and the level you're applying for. The next document you would need are your academic and professional reference. Usually they ask for 2. Okay, so academic reference, professional reference, most of the times they would ask for that. So the next important thing you need to know is that you need to write a personal statement. Okay, so this is where you come all out and you're defending your skills, you're defending your hobbies, you're defending your interest, most importantly, what you actually found interesting about the course. So why do you want to study that course? Why should they take you in their university? And a little tip there is you may want to add up why, how you will be able to make a difference after studying that course. Because again, guys, everything is going sustainable these days. So most of these universities, when they train you, they expect that you don't just stop there. You use it to birth out something tomorrow. So if you can just add up some points, why you want to take that course, why that university, and then how you believe that the course would help you tomorrow. Basically, you would need to write that personal statement. Yeah, to help you with that, you may want to use the UCAS personal statement tools. Okay, they have a website. I'm going to link all of the important links in the description box below. So you just want to check out their website. They would actually help you to write that personal statement to make it easier for you. Another thing you want to remember when applying for these master's or postgraduate degrees in the UK is that they have very flexible application deadlines. Okay, so don't feel pressured about the deadlines. Just bear in mind that if a course is in high demand, if a course is sorted out for by many people, usually the application process tends to close sooner rather than later. Okay, so again, just be on top of their website. They usually update it very often. So even if they tell you a course, the deadline is say July, if they've not filled up for that course by July, it's still going to be open. So you just want to always check, is it actually filled up before to help you. But it's very flexible. You can always just email them. They reply very quickly because most of these universities have what we call student ambassadors. Okay, so they have international student ambassadors, and they like to just partition themselves amongst different countries. So say they have 50 people in their team of student ambassadors. They know that these 5 belong to Asian countries. So any interest we have from Asia, these ones, any interest we have from Africa. So they're able to keep on top of their emails, which is why they attend to your emails on time. So feel free to always email. No matter how petty you feel the question is, ask via email if the website was not clear enough for you. Right, so the final thing I want to tell us before I go is, if you're coming in from an international country, obviously, just remember to give time for your visa application. Okay, so try to do all of this at the beginning of the year, and to give time, at least usually during summer is when most people apply for visas to resume, in September, in October. So the first thing is you make sure to obtain the university admission, because it's going to be one of the documents you need for your visa applications. During the summer, you focus on applying for the visa, and then come autumn, you are in a UK university for your master's degree. I really hope all of this has been helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any more questions, and if I can help, I'll make sure to help. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please share, please like, please subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Bye.